los
The class of
deportes.
2020 will produce some of the most resilient high school seniors we've ever seen, that's for sure. They've missed out on some tradition, of course, but their positive attitudes will carry them to the next chapter in their lives. Chris McGee has the story of a local baseball player with high hopes.
David Felix was the unquestioned leader of the Maywood CES high school baseball team, and he had big plans for his senior season. But after playing just 3 games this year, he was forced to accept the fact that the COVID-19 pandemic would cancel his senior season.
Honestly, I couldn't believe it. I was devastated because, we trained so hard all winter. We come prepared, and then just for it to be taken away from us like that, it was devastating.
In addition to his personal goals, David and his teammates hope to return to the City Section Division III championship game after falling short the previous season.
As a team, I think our main goal is to win the championship. Last year, we came up short by 1 run, unfortunately. So we're planning to come back harder, stronger, and just win it all.
Just to win the ship, because last year, we took a loss in the championship. So this year, we're just trying to redeem ourselves.
Championship hopes dashed. David also saw his chances of landing a college baseball scholarship diminished as well.
I really hope to have played college ball, but without the opportunity to showcase my skills, it's going to be really hard for a school to recruit me.
While uncertainty surrounds his playing future, David still has a plan in place both on and off the field.
He's a little mature for his age. He already had a plan, so his plan was starting sooner than later. He wants to be in law enforcement, so he has his plan already put together, and he's going to attend Cal State LA.
I'd like to pursue a walk-on opportunity at Cal State LA if that's possible. I'm looking to get my criminal justice degree and apply that with anything in law enforcement related.
While the pain of a lost season still lingers, those that are close to David know how special it was to have number 21 as a friend and teammate.
He's been great, I looked up to him since day one, since the first day I met him, and not only that he's a great baseball player, he's just a great person in general. I looked up to him, and I still do.
He's one of those young men that you don't have to tell him more than once. That work ethic is the first thing I noticed. And one of our assistant coaches is his math teacher too, and every time we speak, it's David's doing this and that in the classroom, and what he's doing is above and beyond what other students are doing in this school.
All right, Dave there maintained a 3.5 GPA throughout high school. How great is that? He's also one of the top 40 players in the LA City section by Scorebook Live.